Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out the wall line and anchoring the metal track. This sets everything that follows. Measure twice, mark floor and ceiling with chalk or laser, then cut top and bottom tracks to fit. Once tracks are dry-fitted, fasten them with appropriate anchors or screws at 16 or 24 centers so studs align later. Make sure tracks are square and continuous. If they're not, adjust now, because a crooked base ruins stud fit and final plumb. Next, cut your C-studs to the correct length and place them into the tracks at your chosen 16 or 24 spacing. You must check each stud with a level so it's plumb before securing with 2 screws through the flange into the track. This prevents twisting. Once studs are set, install horizontal blocking for fixtures and a reinforced header at openings, and plan for electrical and plumbing rough-ins so you don't have to rework later. When done, add temporary bracing if the wall isn't self-supporting yet. To finish, fit insulation and run any final services, then hang drywall using the manufacturer's screw pattern and countersink depth. This prevents surface failure. Once panels are up, tape and mud joints in multiple thin layers, sanding between passes for a smooth finish. After mud dries, do a final plumb check and test for loose screws or rattles. If you find bowed or squeaking studs, recheck fastener torque, add blocking or shims where gaps exist, and reinforce weak connections to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.